Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips once again. Today we're going to be fitting this curtain pole. First thing I'm going to show you, just in case you never know, is how to open the packaging. Right now there, what I'm going to do, get my knife underneath there and just twist, pops open, flip it over, knife under, twist, pops open. I could do all four, or I could just do two, just to get it open. Knife under, twist. There you are, that's open. Inside, right, inside here we have all our fittings, so we take that out. And the next thing we need to do, look at that. And then we look at our wall, how we're gonna fit this thing onto there like that. Alright, so we're gonna work out what we're gonna do and then we get back to you. So we get this out of the packaging. Just like that, we've got 1, 2, 3. One for either end and one for the middle. The pole, I believe, extend if I just grab all of that. So it doesn't drop out and bang on the floor. You just keep that under so it don't fall off. Hold it. There you go. Hold the pole, squeeze it. Yeah. Stand it up. And just slide it out gently. Yeah. Packaging off. I don't want to be scraping it on the floor like that, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, there's our pole out of its packaging. I thought these things may have had a split in them, so you could just remove it, but it ain't. So you could just split it there, remove it, or just take the ends off and remove it. Okay, let's do this while I'm here. There's your Allen key, right? There's your wall plugs, there's your screw, there's your bracket. It's a good idea to check to make sure you have everything before you get started, because you don't want to start and then find out there's this bit missing out the package and you've got to take it back and you started and blah blah blah. But you may take it back and change your mind. Your Allen key, as I was saying, just on the end there. Oh my day, looking through the camera. Alright, undo that, that pops off. Alright. You hear the floor? I'm gonna have to screw that down, so let me do that again. Get rid of the noise, yeah? I'll just tack it down some more. If you pull that, see the joint there? Sorry. Oh, I can't begin to actually look at this. Anyway, stop it, T, stop it. Yeah, she's lucky. Anyway, it extends like that. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, you could put it up there, or you could just lay on the floor. Yeah. Anywhere on the floor until you get the length you want and see how it looks. So I'm gonna extend that out now. So for example, if I pull this out, no, can't because it's on the floor. Yes, I can, here we go. So if we just extend that out there, oh son of a gun, forget that part there. Extend it to what you want and get ready. You like my room? Remember when I was painting it? See it coming good? Yeah, coming in nice, 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 like Old Spice. Beautiful job, beautiful job. Give that man a prize. Anyway, I stop big up myself. God, I know like a big girl, I don't love me so much. Anyway, let's crack on, yeah? Now we're gonna figure out how to do this, because on there, let me just get a step. Climb up here, and as you can see, we got not enough room. And that's upside down, like that. So we may have to cut a bit out of here somehow, some way, in order for this to go up underneath there and fit to the wall. Okay, see? Not gonna be hard. Maybe if you just put a bit of pressure on it, you might get away with it because we still got to put a screw in it. But in saying that, once there's a screw there, if this doesn't move, the weight of it pulling against that should hold it, so you only need one. This is a reality program. Them things that happen to you, trust me. So we're gonna crack on anyway. Yeah, talk to you in a minute. Got it up there, as you can see. Just tap it up behind there. Keep it even with the other one. I've then got my thing there. Got myself a nail. And just make like a little pilot hole. Yeah, tap the nail in there. 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 Right. Take that out. And I can pull this back down. And there's my hole. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to drill it through and then I'm going to fit a wall plug. It won't be one of these. It'll be a red one or brown one, a red one, just like that. And this is how a wall plug works. That's it. When you put this screw in, the screw spreads the plug and the plug holds in the wall. Right, so what I'm going to do now, drill that out. Now you've got different types of drill bits. Yeah, you got drill bits for, if I tap there, you hear this sound? That's plasterboard. Yeah, if I tap in the corner, plasterboard. You hear the difference in that sound there? That's what concrete sounds like. So then you'd need a masonry drill. I'm gonna crack on with what I am doing. Okay, see you again in a minute. Okay, a couple of things I'm gonna show you now. These are the original, that and that. Those come with our curtain holder, yeah? Right, now, if I come up here, because, I'm gonna tell you what happened. I haven't got my masonry drill bit, yeah? Now, if I put that screw in there, you'll see it's too long, right? Also, when I did the hole with the nail, I then got an oversized screw and use that to spread the hole a little bit so I can get this wall plug in, because it's a smaller, shorter screw I'm going to use. Now, you see where that bit frays out? That's what actually holds, should it give. These notches, you can cut it, right? So what I'm going to do, first thing I did actually, sorry, not what I'm going to do, I measured it, put the nail back in the hole, see? Measured it, how long it is, how deep it is, so it's there. So what I then do, get my wall plug and measure it. Now you can see it's a little bit too long. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut just that notch off, right? That should give us the depth we need. And then we're going to hammer that in there flush, and we're going to use a shorter screw. So if we try this screw in there, see it falls straight in the hole and it's more or less flush on the wall. So that'll do nicely. So we can work with that one. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to get this, get ourselves our knife, press it on something, not on your window ledge, because you're going to cut through your window ledge. On a bit of wood, something, or get yourself some side cutters. Have I got some side cutters? These are side cutters, but these are just tiny. You can see they've seen better days as well. So we're going to use that into it. Just clip that off and then insert it into there. Right? So we're going to do that and get back to you again. Right, there it is. It's in the wall. What's what we want? Flush with the wall. Yeah? So if you just tap that in, flush. Yeah? So next, we're going to get our bracket back on there. Make sure it's the right way up. Just tuck it back under, in line with where your screw is. And there you are. a perfect fit. So we're going to do now is put our screw in. So we're going to put our screw in. There it is, in, lined up. Now if I pull on it, you can see that ain't going nowhere. Don't swing on it, because if it pop off on my foot, but you see, that ain't going no place. So what we need to do now is find the middle between there and there for our last bracket. So we're gonna measure from there to there. Once we find our tape measure, as you can see, everything is everything. There, different sizes, different size wall plugs. Yellow, blue, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, dibbidi, dibbidi, dibbidi. Right, so we're gonna crack on. Okay, there's our brackets all up. Now, let me just come back from that one. Don't zoom in on it, yeah, because it's got a little bit of a chip on it. But we can just touch that with some paint. So we've only just painted. 3 brackets, all up, good to go. So here's our pole now. We're going to do is get these bits off of it, put it up. But first, we're going to put the curtains on our pole because they go through the loops. This curtain pole actually gives you the option of what kind of curtain you can hang on it. So let's do that and we'll be back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. Our curtain is up. You can adjust the pole so you can have as much or as little overhang as you like. Alright, what I've done on this first one here, I've brought it over the support, the bracket, so that when you pull your curtain across, it will stay on this end. Otherwise, the whole lot's going to shift that way. Yeah, I've also, see the support, the bracket? Bend it downwards so you get the clearance at the top of the curtain from the ceiling. Otherwise it'll touch the ceiling and it'll be just hard. It won't glide as it is there because it'll be rubbing on the ceiling. So if we do that, yeah, and we do that, and I step back, da-da. Yeah, that side is open, but it's just to show you. Nice and even. What you can do for yourself. Now we're going to clear up our rubbish and everything is all good. Now if you're doing something like this, like I am, as a favour and you start getting a lip, what you do? You kiss your teeth. Well, kiss your teeth means you pack up your tools and you go your yard. Yeah? Don't take no abuse from nobody. Okay, people, take care of yourself. Stop robbing each other. Yeah? Fair pay for a fair day's work. Laters.